Welcome to Easy Meals with Chris. Today I am cooking egg rolls. Pause the video to get a good look at the ingredients. Egg rolls are one of my favorite foods, and with a bit of protein added, they can be hearty too. We will start with cutting a cabbage in half and removing the core. Then you will want to slice it thin and chop it up so there are no large pieces for when you roll them later. Place it in a large bowl. Chop up half an onion and 3 garlic cloves. You want everything fairly small and place off to the side. I like to use a grater for the carrots. It gets them nice and thin and they cook quite quickly. For the green onions, just cut off both ends and cut small. In a large skillet, I use equal amounts of ground beef and ground pork. Start to brown that and mix well while trying to get the pieces as small as possible. When that is mostly cooked, add in all the vegetables except the cabbage. You can then add in all the spices to get that incorporated. Finally, you can add the cabbage. When the cabbage cooks, it will release a lot of moisture, and that will help all the flavors mix throughout. Continue stirring until the cabbage is almost fully cooked, then add the soy sauce and sesame oil. Keep stirring until it is well mixed and make sure to taste and adjust the flavor as needed. Most common adjustment you will need is to add more white pepper. When that is finished, place back into a large bowl and let cool. If it is too hot when you go to roll them, the moisture will weaken the paper. You can also save this in the refrigerator until later and roll closer to when you plan to cook. Rolling is pretty simple. You can use any paper you want, but I prefer a thinner and crunchier paper. Try not to use much filling per egg roll, and the size of the paper will determine how big they are. Place a scoop or so in the middle, a bit closer to you, and tuck in. Roll a small amount and then make sure the filling isn't moving too much and push back into the center if needed. You will fold in the sides to give the thin areas more layers to help prevent tearing while cooking. Continue rolling until you have a small amount left and use a simple flour and water mixture about 1:1 to seal the end. If you are rolling a lot of egg rolls, you will want to use a piece of parchment paper as you stack them to keep them from sticking together. Cooking is really simple. Since everything is already cooked, you only need to warm them up and make a crunchy outside. Place them in a 365-degree oil. Vegetable oil is fine, so they are about halfway submerged. Turning after a few minutes and you're looking golden brown. Place on a plate with some paper towels to catch the excess oil. If your egg rolls tear while cooking, the likely issue is that you have too much filling and need to make the egg rolls smaller. Once you are done cooking, get ready to enjoy your new favorite egg rolls. Thanks for watching and have a great meal.